Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Katsu Sando. Katsu means tonkatsu and sando means sandwich. So Katsu Sando is Tonkatsu Sandwich. Let's get started. These are what you need. 2 slices of Japanese white bread, tonkatsu, some cabbage, room temperature butter, tonkatsu sauce, and this can be replaced with mixture of Worcestershire sauce and ketchup 1:1. For tonkatsu, I have a video, so I put the link in the description below. At first, let's make some thinly shredded cabbage. Pile up some layers and thinly slice, very thin. Very thinly sliced cabbage. Let's put this room temperature butter on both bread. Spread it thinly. And put this cabbage on one bread. And spread this tonkatsu sauce on both sides of tonkatsu. Let's put half of the tonkatsu sauce here. Put it on top of this cabbage upside down, so sauce side is facing down. Let's put the rest of the tonkatsu sauce on the other side of tonkatsu and put this bread on top with butter side facing down. Press it gently. Prepare plastic film. Wrap it as tight as possible. Let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes resting, remove the film and cut the crust off. When we make sandwich, we normally cut the crust off, but if you like crust, you can leave it on. Cut it in half. And it's good to go. That's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. The most difficult part of making Katsu Sando is making tonkatsu, I think. When you make tonkatsu for dinner, make some extra for Katsu Sando on the next day. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye for now.